Hello, it's Wednesday the 29th of February 2012 and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from UFX Markets. The US dollar declined versus most majors as the market readies for tomorrow's ECB operation to reduce refuge demand. Stocks closed positive with the Nasdaq gaining by 0.69% and the Dow by 0.18%. Crude oil fell the most in more than 5 weeks by 2% on concerned slower economic growth and lower fuel demand, closing at $106.50 a barrel. Gold advanced to a 3-month high by 1% as an alternative to a weakening dollar, closing at $1,783 an ounce. Today, Fed Chairman Bernanke is expected to testify, and crude oil inventories are expected with 1.4 million versus 1.6 million previously. The euro strengthened against the dollar and yen on speculation. A European Central Bank allotment of 3-year loans to banks tomorrow will bolster investor appetite for the region's assets. The euro-dollar is currently considered bullish above the 133.70 support level. The pair faces next resistance around 135.20. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 133.65 and a high of 134.67. The British pound rose to a 3-week high against the dollar after the CBI said its retail sales gauge rose in February to the highest reading in 8 months, boosting speculation the nation will avoid a recession. Technically, the pound dollar continues to remain bullish as long as it remains above the 158.50 support level. The pair is facing its next major resistance at 59.50. The dollar fell versus the yen after a report showed orders for US durable goods fell in January by the most in 3 years. In addition, speculation increased that the surge in oil prices this month and Europe's unsettled debt crisis may weigh on economic recoveries, boosting demand for safety. Technically, as long as the dollar-yen is at the support level of 80, the momentum continues to be bullish. No economic data is expected today. The Canadian dollar advanced against its US counterpart for a second day, touching its strongest level in a week as the prospect of a second round of European Central Bank 3-year loans to banks eased demand for the refuge of the US currency. The dollar CAD is on a downtrend as long as the pair remains below the 100.40 resistance level. This led to a fall in the pair. No economic data is expected today. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at UFX Markets for all of your online trading needs.